Dear friends, now I'm going to dictate the elaboration part of Tamil Nadu government examination paper, that is May 1975. This dictation contains 4 minutes. For 4 minutes, there is 4 elaboration letters. You have to elaborate after taking dictation it. The content is important here, and there is no bother about if there is any omissions are there. Only the thing is the concentration important, content important. Omissions, you don't bother about that. Get ready. 5 seconds. Number 1, draft letter from Commissioner for Government Examinations, Madras, to Principal, Government College, Kumbakonam. College building required for central valuation of SSLC. Answer papers for 2 weeks from April 20th. About 1,000 examiners will be attending. Arrangements to be made for their stay, including canteen facilities and also police protection if necessary. Principal to be the officer in overall charge of the center. Reply to be sent immediately as to the arrangements made. Also, draft a reply saying that necessary arrangements have been made and agreeing to be in charge of the center. Number 2, draft advertisement by Indian Overseas Bank Madras 2 calling for applicants for training as probationary officers in their branches throughout state, first class, BCom or chartered accountant eligible, age 25 years, knowledge of Hindi, previous experience in banking organization, and good personality preferred. Last date for receipt of applications 15th May. Stipend rupees 200 during training period. Training for 6 months. After training, posting will be made in any place in the state. Present scale of pay rupees 500, 40, 700 with other allowances. Promotional opportunities for deserving candidates. Number 3, call for sealed tenders on behalf of Special Officer Namakkal Municipality up to 3 p.m. on 20th January for supply of ceiling fans, cash chest and steel cupboards. Description and number of articles required and other particulars with tender forms available on payment of rupees 5 in person or by money order from the municipal office. Number 4, motorcycle going at top speed in Mount Road. Lady was seated on the pillion. Sari caught in back wheel of vehicle. Tried to free it. Accidentally, she fell down. Rider applied sudden brake and thrown off. Skull broken. Lady seriously injured due to fall. Both removed to nearby hospital by police who arrived on the scene immediately. Large crowd collected on the spot, causing dislocation of traffic for some time. Order maintained by police and regular traffic restored. Give an eyewitness account. Number 5, Registrar of Cooperative Societies invites suggestions from all cooperative societies for purpose of enhancing limit of loan sanctioned to members on mutual surety. This will help members to avoid borrowing from money lenders on high rate of interest. Societies will also be benefited by increase in income by way of more interest. Encourage thrift among members by opening compulsory recurring deposit. Draft a circular.